Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this Blair's look from Barbie Princess Charm School and Dress to Impress. Okay, this is for the outfit guys. Okay, these are the items that you need to choose. The first one, for the hairstyle, you can choose this one and then you're going to color it like this. And then this hairstyle, you're going to color it the same color, and then you're going to do little adjustment. You can position it like this, rotate and scale. Okay, and then for the hair accessory, you can put on this item, make it pink and then make it glitter. And then this ribbon, you're going to make it type 2, and then you're going to make it this pink color and make it glitter. And then you're going to put on this jacket. For the jacket, you can choose top only, and you're going to make it this color and make it glitter. Okay, and then you're going to put on this belt, make it this color, and then this suit, make it this color. Okay, and then this skirt, you're going to make it pink and make it glitter. And then this skirt, make it this color and make it glitter. And the sleeves, make it the same pink color and make it glitter. And then this skirt as well, make it this pink color and make it glitter. And then for the shoes, you can choose this boot from the code item. And then you're going to make it the same pink color. And sorry guys, I haven't mentioned one hairstyle. You can combine it with this one and you're going to color it the same. So for the hairstyles, you can choose 3 hairstyles. This one, and also this one. For this hairstyle, you can do the adjustment, don't forget. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!